Sunday home reset, and we're going to start some Christmas decorating. Hope you all enjoy. Hi, I'm Sharon, and it is Sunday home reset, and we are going to do some Christmas decorating and some cleaning. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for clicking on my channel. So right now I am sitting on the floor and I am fluffing up our Christmas tree. Just getting all those branches all fluffed out. And I will show you before and after. Well, here's the before, and thank you for clicking on my channel. I am so happy you are here, and I do appreciate everyone who supports me. And if you're new, I would love it if you subscribed. And it would be great if people gave me a thumbs up and left me a comment so that YouTube knows we're watching or you're watching. Anyhow, here's the after when it's all fluffed up. Do you like clear lights or do you like the colored lights? Leave me a comment. My husband and I have brought up all our tubs and boxes, and I have them spread in the living room because I'm going to go sort through some of them, and I'm not going to use all the decorations, but you never know what you'll use till you look through and see what you've got. We've got our tree up and we've got it all fluffed, so it is ready for ornaments, but I probably won't do that today. I plan on working in the kitchen. I have a few decor things I want to do in there. So I think let's just show you some of the stuff I brought up, that we brought up from downstairs. Okay, there's 2 tubs there, and there's a box behind that, and a box on top, and a box down over there. And then I have a box on this chair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes there. And over here I have 2 tubs, and that's mostly the greenery and stuff. And I brought up the skirt for the tree, which I'm going to put around right now just so it's not sticking out in the middle of the room. So I'll get down here. It's just wicker, and it opens like this, and you just put it around your tree bottom, and it's and I really like it. It was my daughter's, and she said I could have it. So, yes ma'am, I took it. And I think it's just very cozy for a tree. All right. I have all my blue and white stuff up on top of the kitchen cupboards. And I have 2 big blue bells that I'm going to put up there. But I need to do a little something to them first. I bought these a couple of years ago on sale at the end of the season. And these ties are hard to cut. There we go. I had them on my fence, my gate last year. And this year I decided I wanted to put them on my cupboard up top. And if I can get this off, I'll take it off and loosen up the glue. So I have this little one, and then I have this large one. And I put this stuff on last year to put outside. on the gate. But I'm not going to do that this year. These are going to go up there with all my blue and white. So I'm going to take the ribbon off and the bells off. I mean the ribbon and the greenery off. Okay, I got the first bow and bit of greenery off of the bell. So a little bit of glue left on here. It's not really going to matter because you probably won't see it. So, oops, I'm showing you. Yeah, there's the bell. Okay, so I need to do this one too. And I'm just using my hairdryer. Put it on high. This works really, really well. And I just thought I'd show you how good it works. I'm a little afraid of a heat gun, so I haven't really gotten into using that. But this little trick works good for all kinds of glue and stickers and all that kind of stuff that just sticks to your projects and stuff that you're trying to fix up and make look pretty. So we'll just see what's gonna happen now. Let's see. Yeah, that's melted. Okay. It's all coming off. Yay! Be careful because it does get warm. Okay. And there we go. That one's clean too. So we got the two. So let's see. I'm going to get the ladder and I'm going to put them up there. And I'm not sure where I want to put them. So. There, I think that's good there. Down and have a look. Yeah, I like that bell up there. I think I'll put the smaller bell maybe in front of that white plate. And I think that'll look good. Oops. And then, yeah, I think I'm going to put my bell in here. I think. Oh, maybe not. Let's put that back where that was. And this over here. Okay. I'm going to grab the snowflake plate first, and I'm going to grab this plate down. I think this one goes better for Christmas decor. I'm going to take these three little guys down. They can always be used on the table or somewhere. I'm going to put this bell here. Let's move this guy over some. And this guy over some. There. There's the bells. That looks nice. Yeah, I think that's okay. I might. Where'd they go? Oh, they must be over here. So I got one of these. Could put one here.
How many parts so far back last night? It'll make it easier to open the doors. Oh.
Put one there. And maybe I'll put one over here. Here you. And we'll put one in here maybe. No, put it in here. Or put it back here. No, there's a thing there. Do that. I think that looks good. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look, see. Okay, yes. Oops. Sorry, just kicked you. Okay. I do like that plate up there. And I think that could go back further instead of sticking out so far. Right, daughter? Let's see, I'm gonna have to turn this tin maybe. Nope, I'm gonna switch these two out there. Push it back further. Yeah, and it shows better. More for Christmas. And we'll put this on here. And this one has a calendar on it. Okay, I'll get it in the stand. It says, God bless our house. And it actually has a date on it, 1987. And I think this one can go up here now. Yeah. There, I guess that's good. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know. Let me know what you think. But I do like my bells up there. And I like my Christmas plate. With the snowflake. Looks like it can move over a little bit. I wonder if I can move it over a little bit. Okay. Nope, that doesn't go over much. Teeny tiny bit. Oh, that can go over a bit. That can go over a bit. Okay, good. I think that's better placed. Okay, I think that looks good. And I like my bell up there and my Christmas plate, and that's enough for up there. As far as I know, I might add greenery, I might not, but that's what I want to get done today. So I'm going to get my phone and I'll show you a close-up. Okay, there's my cute little curtains, and I put the bell there, the smaller bell, and I put the snowflake plate there with the little vase in front of it. This stayed the same. This stayed the same. Oh, I put a vase there, and that stayed the same. And that's the same. And I put the bigger bell right there. And I think that looks really nice on my cupboard for Christmas. Very subtle. Couple of big bells. Couple of bells. And some blue and white decor. I am very pleased. Oops. There's my buddy. He just had a drink of water. He's hoping I'm going to give him more breakfast. He already had his breakfast. Ginger buddy. Says, yeah, but I should sure take a treat. Not yet, maybe later. Okay, as you know, if you've watched my videos, I have put wreaths up here, and these are my fall wreaths that I'm going to take down and store till next fall. And I use the usual wreaths I hang up there. I'm not going to this year because I'm doing blue and white in my kitchen, and I opened my wreath storing box and I found snowflakes. They do have red and gold, but I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to hang the snowflake on the door, and I think that will be pretty. I'm going to put one of these on each door. And I think that'll look nice. So we'll get the second one and we'll get it done. Just take these are to put on your doorknobs. Maybe I'll put them on the gate. I'm hoping to get some green to put in my gate again this year. Oh, this one's broken. Oh, I'll have to stop and glue this because I don't think I can tie it and make it stay up without it looking broken. Yeah, nope, this one got... Okay, we got that one glued and put on the door. Oh, I think they look really pretty. Very festive for winter and Christmas. Okay, this is another day of Christmas. And I got this box empty. I'm sorting through everything and organizing it because I didn't. This is the Santa that goes on top of my tree. I'm going to put that in the bedroom. This is all decluttering. And I have my ornaments in these bins. I have this beautiful garland that I'm going to put on my banister and fill it out. This, I'm not doing anything with that. Might donate it. And this is a box of stuff that I'm still going to go through. It has bigger Santas and stuff in it. We'll see what happens to them. Might not put them out. And then I did, one of the boxes had all kinds of stuff in it. So I made a berry bag, and I made a greenery bag. And then down below, there's another bag that's greenery. I have 2 bags of greenery, 2 bags of berries, and then down below we have the picks that are not separated like this one. And I'm going to use those, I'm sure. And over here I have a bunch of stuff that's just I call littles, and some on my coffee table. And we are going to put them on the shelves in the hall, in the entryway, because it can hold a lot of little cute stuff. Okay. Oh yes. And over here, David's been busy. I moved that from the hallway, or from the entryway up here, and I always decorate it up for Christmas with wreaths and stuff. So we'll get that done, and then we'll decorate all around with candles and things. And we have lots of little white snowflakes, some silver snowflakes, and we're going to put them on the tree. And these are some bigger snowflakes that Dave made. He made these, of course, with his 3D printing machine. And I think they're just beautiful. They show up really nice on the tree because the tree is dark green. And he's also going to make me some icicles. So it is coming along. Well, I thought I'd show you a little sneak peek of what our Christmas tree is going to look like with snowflakes and icicles. I'm just playing around and seeing what I need. We are still making more snowflakes and icicles for the tree. Anyhow, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and if you stayed till the end, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you. And I hope you're enjoying doing your Christmas decorating. Okay, see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.